Hey, today I'm very excited to share this grant with you. We have a $10,000 grant to talk about. Keep watching to learn more about this grant.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
This grant is called the FedEx Entrepreneur Fund Grant. And the FedEx Entrepreneur Fund Grant is in collaboration with Hello Alice and the Global Entrepreneurship Network. And they will provide $10,000 grants to 30 business-owned by military-connected entrepreneurs and people with disabilities in the United States. To be eligible for this grant, your business must be the following. You must have majority of 51% plus owned and operated by entrepreneurs with disability, or a majority 51% plus owned and operated by military connected entrepreneurs, which includes military family, military spouse, active duty, or veterans. The other eligibility criteria includes your business must have a maximum of 25 employees. Your business annual gross revenue in 2021 must be less than $7 million. You must have demonstrated a need for funding to support business and serve customers. This grant deadline is October 7th of 2022 at 6 p.m. Eastern Time, and grant recipients will be notified by email and publicly in the week of November 9th of 2022. Also, the grant recipients will be eligible to receive an additional $5,000 unrestricted grant after winning and receiving the initial grant payment. This grant has $300,000 available in grants, so in total, there will be like 30 grant winners, and they will be likely awarded in the first round. The ideal candidate for this grant is a small business owner with disability or military affiliation. You have faced challenges in your entrepreneur journey, but you have not given up. You are passionate, mission-driven, and ready to take your business to the next level. So let's go over the application that you will need to submit in order to win this grant. The first part of this application is asking you about your contact information, your social media presence, and how you identify yourself. The second part of this application is asking you to tell more about yourself regarding your name, gender, ethnicity, and age range. The third part of this application is asking you what you do. Here is where you put your business name, your business address, your business social media, and your business revenue if you have any revenue. They will like to know your challenges as a small business owner and how they can help you. You will want to know how much you want to raise, your top business goals in the next 5 years, and be able to explain your biggest obstacle or challenge in 2 sentences or less. They also ask 5 additional questions, so let's go over them. Number 1 says, tell us more about you. Why did you become a small business owner? What is the origin story of your business? This is where you want to mention your passion and dedication to your business, and which made you start your business. Number 2 says, please elaborate on how you intend to use this grant funding. This is where you want to mention how you want to use the funds. For example, if you want to use $2,000 for marketing, $3,000 for hiring more employees, and $5,000 for inventory, you should be very specific on your plan and how you intend to use this grant. Number 3 says, tell us more about where you're headed and how would this grant accelerate your business and help you achieve your business goals. This is where you want to mention your 1-year goal, your 3-year goal, your 5-year goal with your business, and how you would use this grant to go towards those goals. Number 4 asks, how does your business connect with and support your community? This is where you want to explain how your community is involved or explain how you want your community to be involved. If you have not launched your business off the ground yet, you just want to explain what it would look like if you were awarded this grant and how this will look for you and your business. Number 5 asks, what else would you like us to know about you or your business that we haven't asked? This is where you want to mention any help that you need with your business and or good information about your business, such as any impact and more goals that you have for your business. So that's it. You press submit and wait for the grant winners to be notified in the week of November 9th of 2022. If you like these type of videos, please leave a thumbs up. I hope this video was helpful for you all. Let me know in the comment section if this grant is worth your time and if you would check this out. Make sure to check out more recent grants at designersoapbox.com/grant. I just uploaded tons of grants for you before dropping this video, so make sure you go and check them out. Make sure you click the link in the description box below to get there. See you guys in the next video. Bye.